Hi my dear children, in this part 1 video we are going to see first 30 questions from class 5 model test paper 1 of National Science Olympiad NSO. Okay, so first section is logical reasoning. First one, which of the following option best depicts the relationship amongst boys, students and players? Okay, so boys, students and then players. Okay, so some boys may be student and some may be players, and some student may be boys and some student may be players, and some students may be both boys and players. Okay, similarly some players may be boys and some players may be student, and some players may be both boys and students. Okay, so B, option B is the correct answer. Second one, Neeta is facing the north. Okay, she is facing the north. If she turns through an angle of 225 degree in an anti-clockwise direction, then she will be facing dash. Okay, so she is facing the north direction and then she turns through an angle of 225 degree. So 225 degree divided by 45 degree is 5. So for each step she is moving one step anti-clockwise. So 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so she is facing southeast direction. Okay, she is facing southeast direction. That is option B is the correct answer. Okay, next, third one, how many of the following figures have at least 2 lines of symmetry? So we know triangle have 1 line of symmetry, and then rectangle have 2 line of symmetry, and then alphabet E have 1 line of symmetry, and then square have 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, so rectangle and square have at least 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, 2. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Fourth one, count the total number of triangles in the given figure. So please pause the video and please count the total number of triangles. Okay, so 1, 2 and then 3. Okay, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first figure have 10 triangle, and then second figure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then 7. Okay, 7. So first figure have 10 triangle and then second figure have 7 triangle. So total 17. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. Fifth one, find the missing number if same rule is followed in all the 3 figures. So again pause the video and please try to find the answer. So 24 plus 12 is 36. 36 plus 2 is 32. Similarly 9 plus 5 is 14 and 14 plus 14 is 28. So like that 14 plus 32 is 46, and then 46 plus 16 is 62. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Okay, option C. Sixth one, find the combination of numbers from the option so that the letters are arranged accordingly to form a meaningful English word. So option A is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 4. So 1, 2, 3 means Z, yes, Z, P, U, 5 is, then 4 is E. So it is not a meaningful word. Okay, so option B is 2, 3, 5, 1, 6 and then 4, puzzle. So puzzle is a meaningful word. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Next is 7th one. Find the correct mirror image of the given figure X. So again, please pause the video and please try to find the answer. Okay. So we know mirror image. So first we know mirror image of A, O and then M are same. Okay. Next 5 means we will get this one, and then mirror image of 1 is this one, and then mirror image of 4 is this one. Okay. So please check the answer. Yes, option C is the correct answer. Option C. Okay. 8th one, find the odd one out. Okay. So please check the option A, B, C and D. All the options are made by using two shapes, but except figure in option C, no two figures overlap each other. Okay. No two shapes overlap each other. So option C is the correct answer. 9th one, find the missing figure which will continue the series given below. Okay. So first figure is made by using 3 lines, and then second one 4 lines, and then third one 5 lines. So the missing figure will have 6 lines. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So option C. 10th one. Which of the following figure is exactly embedded in figure X as one of its part? So please check option A, B, C and D. So option A. Okay. So option A is exactly embedded in figure X. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. Section is science. 11th one. Which of the following are not the function of part labeled as X in the given figure? Okay, so we need to find not the function. Okay. So the part labeled as X in the given figure is root. First one, to absorb water from the soil. It is the function of root. Second one, to transport food to all parts of the plant. No, actually it is the function of stem, not root. Third one, to transport water to all parts of the plant. It is also function of stem, not root. Fourth one, to hold the plant upright to receive sunlight. It is also function of stem, not root. So we need to find not the function of root. So 2, 3 and 4 are function of stem, not root. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Option D. 12th one. In the given figure of the life cycle of a butterfly, the stage 2 represents. So stage 1 is egg, and then stage 2 is larva or caterpillar, 3 is pupa, and then 4th is adult butterfly. Okay. So we need to find stage 2, that is larva or caterpillar. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Option B. 13th one. Which of the following is not a purpose of migration in animals? So A, to escape harsh weather. It is the purpose of migration. B, to search food. Yes, it is also purpose of migration. C, to reach their breeding grounds. Yes, it is also purpose of migration. So we need to find not a purpose of migration. So option D, none of this is the correct answer. Okay. Option D, none of this. 14th one. Identify the parts labeled as P, Q, R and S in the figure and select the correct option. So we know P is medulla oblongata. So option C is the correct answer. Okay. And then R is cerebrum, and then Q is cerebellum, and then S is skull. Okay. So P medulla, Q cerebellum, R cerebrum and S skull. So option C. 15th one. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. So column 1 and then column 2, proteins. So lack of protein causes marasmus. Lack of vitamin B causes beriberi. And then fat, too much of fat causes obesity. And then lack of vitamin D causes rickets. Okay. So A3, B1, C2 and then D4. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. 16th. An earthquake is a sudden movement of a part of the earth's surface. earthquakes below dash on the Richter scale are so weak that they cannot be felt. So Richter scale measures the magnitude of an earthquake. So earthquake below 2 on the Richter scale are so weak that they cannot be felt. Okay, so option D is the correct answer. 17th, match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the code given below. So A, joint between hip and thigh bone. So it is ball and socket joint. Okay, so A1. B, joint between wrist and palm, that is gliding joint. So B2. C, joint between thigh bone and shin bone, that is hinge joint. Okay, so A1, B2, C3. This option C is the correct answer. Okay. Select the correct option regarding the process shown in the given figure. So the given process is distillation. Okay, so option A, the amount of water will decrease in flask X. So true option, because on heating the water will converted into water vapor. So the amount of water will decrease in flask X. B, the option of water will gradually increase in flask Y. This is also correct option because the evaporated water gets cool and then it is collected in flask Y. Okay, this process is known as condensation. So the amount of water will gradually increase in flask Y. C, there will be no decrease in the quantity of water in the process. It is also correct statement because the water vapor is not escaped to the environment. So there will be no decrease or increase in the quantity of water because the evaporated water is again condenses to form liquid and is collected in flask Y. Okay, so there will be no decrease in the quantity of water. So option D, all the options are correct. So option D is the correct answer. 19th one, which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay, so we need to select the incorrect statement. A, some sources of carbohydrate are vegetable oil, butter and ghee. It is the incorrect statement because vegetable oil, butter and ghee are source of fat, okay, not carbohydrate. B, fat gives us more energy than carbohydrate. True. C, roughage helps the body to get rid of undigested food. True. C, D, vitamin increase the body ability to fight diseases. It is also true statement. So the incorrect statement is option A. So option A is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following statement is incorrect? So again we need to find the incorrect statement. A, the mass movement of animal from one place to another is known as migration. True. B, gills are special organs with which all mammals breathe. It is incorrect because all mammals breathe by using lungs. Okay, all mammals breathe with lungs. So gills are present in fishes and some other animals. Emu is a flightless bird. True. The insects like ant and cockroaches have 3 pairs of legs. True statement. So we need to find the incorrect statement. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. 21. Which of the things listed below are non-biodegradable? So we know non-biodegradable objects are those which are not decomposed by microorganism. Okay, so here gold coin, credit card, plastic toys are non-biodegradable. Notebook, roasted chicken and apple are biodegradable. Okay, so 2, 3 and 5. So option C is the correct answer. Next one, the given figure shows 2 containers P and Q of different shapes. Sonia filled container P with 100 ml of water. She then poured all the waters from container P to container Q. Which of the following changes she observed in container Q? Okay, so one, change in shape of water. Yes, because water takes up the shape of the container. 2, decrease in mass of water. No. 3, decrease in volume of water. No. So 1 only. Okay, 1 only. So option A is the correct answer. Okay, option A. Next one. In case of heat stroke, what should be done immediately? A. Cover the patient with any cloth, preferably with woolen cloth. No. B. Give the patient a solution of salt, sugar and lime, or preferably juice of an unripe mango. Yes. So in case of heat stroke, give the patient a solution of salt, sugar and lime, or preferably juice of an unripe mango. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. C. Make the patient lie down in a sunny place. No. D. Give hot coffee or tea to the patient. No. So option B is the correct answer. Next one. X is the red planet because its soil and rocks are red in color. This planet resembles Earth the most. Scientists believe that it is the only planet beside Earth where life may exist. X is the dash planet from the Sun. So, red planet we know Mars is the red planet and it is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So, X is the fourth planet from the Sun. Okay. So, X is Mars and it is the fourth planet from the Sun. So, option D is the correct answer. Next one. Study the given Venn diagram carefully. Which alphabet represents frog and sheep respectively? So, lays eggs, breathe through gills, breathe through lungs. So, we know frog lays eggs and then breathe through lungs. So, Y is frog and sheep. Sheep is a mammal and it breathes through lungs. Okay. So, P. So, Y represents frog and then P represents sheep. So, Y and P. So, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Y and then P. Next one. In the setup, 4 thumbtacks P, Q, R and S were stuck on the iron rod with the help of wax. Okay, with the help of wax, and 2 similar burners are placed at both ends of the iron rod at the same time. Which thumbtack will fall off first? So please check the picture. So first, okay, P. P thumbtack will fall first and then Q and then S will fall simultaneously and then R will fall. Okay, so first P thumbtack will fall. So option A is the correct answer. 27. Vana Mahotsava is celebrated for a week in the month of dash every year. So Vana Mahotsava is celebrated for a week in the month of July every year. Okay. Option C is the correct answer. It is an annual tree planting festival in India. It is started in 1950 by Union Minister of Agriculture Dr. K.M. Munshi. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. Next one, study the given flow chart. Which of the following are the most suitable terms for M and N? So M is made up of curved bones and N is made up of basin shaped bone. So we know rib cage is a cage-like structure and it is made up of 12 pairs of curved bone and it protects heart and then lungs. Okay. And then pelvis is made up of basin-shaped bone and it protects the organs of lower abdomen. So M is rib cage and then N is pelvis. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, option B. Next one. Which of the following is a correct statement? So we need to select the correct statement. Option A, fog is formed when raindrops pass through a very cold region of the atmosphere and freeze. It is the incorrect statement because fog is formed when water vapors condense around the dust or other particles in the air and thus the tiny liquid water droplets are formed that remain suspended hang in the air. So option A is incorrect. Okay. B, dew is formed when the water vapor in the air condenses and appear as droplets on the ground and other surfaces. It is the correct statement. See, hail is formed when it is very cold and dew or surface water freezes into tiny white crystals. It is also incorrect because hail is formed when drops of water freeze together in the cold upper regions of thunderstorm clouds. Okay. D. Snow is formed when the clouds remain water droplets move over a region near equator. It is also incorrect because snow is formed when the clouds containing water droplets move over a region near the freezing point of water. So option B is the correct answer. Okay. Next one. Latika took a stem of balsam plant having leaves and flowers and placed it in a glass of water. She mixed some red ink in the water. After some time, she observed some red stripes on the leaves, flowers, and stem. What function of the plant is she trying to test? So, option A, the root grow in the direction opposite of light. No. B. The root absorb water and minerals from the soil. No. C. The stem transport food prepared in the roots to different parts of the plant. No. D. The stem carries water and minerals to different parts of the plant. Yes. So the function of plant she wants to test is the stem carries water and minerals to different parts of the plant. Okay. That's why she observed some stripes on the leaves, flowers, and then stem. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. Okay. Option D. So thank you, my dear children, for watching this video. We will see the remaining questions in part 2 video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.